Until yesterday, we are discussing intragenic inheritance or intragenic allele inheritance. Incomplete dominance is completed. Today, codominance. Second one, codominance. Codominance means both dominant alleles and recessive alleles both are expressed with their character in F1 generation. It means dominant genes and as well as recessive genes, both genes express their character in offsprings or F1 generation. Means codominance means both dominant and recessive genes expressed their character in F1 generation. In F1 generations, we are observed both parents' characters. Actually, in our monohybrid cross, what we observe, only dominant character only express itself. Recessive one not express their character. But in this codominance, both dominant and recessive, both characters we are seen in F1 generation or F1 plants. It is very some difficult change to monohybrid cross or Mendelian principles. It is variation from Mendelian principles. Example we have to take. Example, seed with spots crossed with seeds with dots. Purely taken two plants, purely, that is seed with spots, seed with dots. It means, for example, this is the seed, it contains mainly spots. The seed generally contain, that is dots, mainly dots. So we are crossing with these two plants, we will get, in case of possibilities, CS, next here CD. These are the parents, these are the gametes. Next, if we take in Punnett square board for F1, CS for one parent, CD for another parent, or here CS and CS, CD and CD. So we are right, it means we are treated as the CS means dominant, CD is a recessive for our understanding. This is dominant, this is recessive. First of all, CSCD. Next, CSCD, CSCD. It means 4:0. 4 plants are heterozygous. 4 plants are heterozygous. 4 plants are heterozygous. Seeds with spots and dots. So seed, F1 seed, this is F1. In F1 seed, what will happen? Dots were observed and as well as spots also. That is F1. In this F1, actually our Mendelian principles, what will happen, only dominant character only express it in F1 generation. In F1 generation only dominant parent will express their character, recessive parent do not express any character, but here both dominant parent and recessive parent both are expressed itself. That's why the F1 generation will get both characters, seeds with spots and seeds with dots. The seed contain both characters, dots and spots. It is variation to Mendelian principle monohybrid. Next, F2 generation, what will happen in F2? F2 generation CDCS, sorry, CSCD into CSCD. Here two possibilities, CSCD, next CSCD, two possibilities. In Punnett square board, CSCD, CSCD. Fusion between these two plants, CSCS, that is seeds with spots. Next, CSCD, seeds with spots and dots. Next, CSCD, that is seeds with spots and dots. Next, CDCD, seeds with only dots. So phenotype and genotype, phenotype and genotype of this F1 F2 plants. What will happen in F2 plants? CSCS only one is there, it means seeds with spots only one is there. CSCD, CSCD means spots and dots, two is there, only one is there, seeds with dots, that is 1. This is our F2 genotype. 1:2:1. One plant is homozygous, spots. Two plants are heterozygous, spots and dots. One is homozygous, that is the recessive, or homozygous dots. This is codominance. Codominance means both. Co means both are together, both together. Codominance, both characters are expressed in F1 generation, that is called codominance. Both dominant characters, recessive characters, both characters are expressed in offsprings, expressed in, that is the plants, that is called next generation or F1 generation is called codominance. Example plants. Example plants. Lentils. Lentils are the one type of plants, mainly in North America. They are pulses. Lentils mainly in North America. These are the pulses, main type of pulses. Lentils. So this is, and another example is color, coat color in cattle. So skin color in cattle. Next example, blood cells means ABO blood, AB blood group, AB blood group. AB blood group, we are observed this codominance. In ABO blood groups, what will happen? In human blood groups, blood group, that is AB blood group, what will happen? AB blood group means, first of all, IA, IB, IO. This is the genotype of AB blood group. This is the genotype of AB blood group. These two are called dominants. This one is that is recessive. IAIB and O. IAIB both are antigens which is present on the red blood cell. In the red blood cell, what will happen? This is the red blood cell. IA means A antigen is present. B antigen also present. O is recessive, it is not express any character. So that's why A is present as well as B antigen also present on the membrane of red blood cell. So here we are observed both A and B antigens express their character to form of AB blood group. AB blood group generally formed by two antigens. Antigen A, antigen B, both are present on the membrane of red blood cell. Due to this reason, we are treated as this blood group, that is AB blood group. Generally, AB blood group IA, IB, and IO. IA, IB, genome. What is the dominance? IO is the recessive one. This is codominance in blood groups. Codominance in lentils of the crop, that is pulses crop in North America. These two are the examples. And one more example, cows with white skin and red patches. White skin with red patches. What will happen in that is roan is formed. Roan is formed. Roan means white color skin along with red patches. So white skin with red patches. Red patches. In case of white hen crossed with black hen, in the F1 generation what will happen? Both colors are mixed together. Black color, white color coat along with black color spots we are observing hen. So here white color coat cows are crossed with red color patches, purely separate. It is dominant, it is recessive. Both dominant and recessive expressed in F1 generation, that is roan. Roan means cow is totally white in color and it contains red color spots on the body, that is roan. So it is a codominance. It is another second type of, first one is incomplete dominance and next term codominance. These are the two mainly intragenic or intra-allelic gene interactions.